Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G53 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message. So here you've got the current keyboard language. Whenever you wish to change it, tap on settings icon, pick languages, tap on add keyboard, and you can either scroll all the way down to find some language that you wish to apply, or you can use this search area to enter some language. Let me just, for example, Hebrew, so the change is pretty visible. Tap on done, remove unnecessary language, and here it is. So this is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily manage your keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.